what's up guys? Today we're going on a dope adventure. I'm gonna conquer Kamar Posht Peak, then rip it downhill on my bike, all the way to the village. You ready? Let's do this. Guys, this forest is like a whole other world. I'm a bit tired, but these views are so gorgeous, I don't even want to stop. We're almost at Kamar Posht Peak. Just a little more push, and we're there. Now the real fun begins. This downhill is gonna make my heart race. But who doesn't love a bit of thrill, right? Trail's a bit technical, but this forest is so stunning that even if I crash, I'll still be happy. Man, this speed is insane. My heart's pounding. This part's tricky, but with a move like this, whoa, nailed it. Phew, guys, that was next level. From the peak to here, it felt like I was in an action movie. This forest and this trail, it's like a piece of paradise.
Money, power, I'm big, 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 but I'm big, big, I'm right big, 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 but I'm big, money, power, I'm big, 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 but I'm big, I'm right big, 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 but I'm big.
If you've got a place like this, go explore it. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you like this vlog, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's go on more adventures together. Catch you in the next one.
برگشتش واقعا میچسبه خیلی خوب